What's going on, guys? Ready, Jam Box Breaks, 8:08 p.m. Eastern Time on the 7th of December. We are breaking 20 boxes of 2022 archive snapshots. These do not come in cases, guys, so we could get multiples of big guys. Just randomly made like this. So, what's up, Matt? There are parallels as well. I know they're hard to hit. Alright, first up we got Reed Detmers on a negative auto. That one's numbered 60 to 100. They are hand numbered. Angels going to Matt. Got a negative of Aaron Judge. That's it for box one. Alright, number two. Some of these negatives, the good players actually sell pretty well at base. Alright, we got Hunter Pence. Next up, we got Seth Beer for the D-backs going to Aaron. Camera just a little bit. Alright, negative in this box is Jeff Bagwell. Alright, box three. Ha! Two, Dwayne. Oh shit, hold on guys, I just hit a button by accident. Two fucking boxes, man. I can't find anyone who'll give me a good deal on it. So I did buy a case of 2023 Finest. It came today, so I will give you guys first dibs on that as well. Alright, it's ridiculous. I thought I'd get at least a case. They gave my distributor 50 cases. Alright, we got TJ Friedel, Cincinnati Reds, going to Alex. Two jumbo boxes. It's absolutely ridiculous. But they're giving me 4 cases of Heritage high number. I was like, awesome. Corbin Burns in a negative. I don't even know what Pete got. I know he pre-ordered a bunch from Topps. I just don't have the money to do that. I'm filling 40 breaks a week. He's got a bankroll to do that. I don't. Not no more. Alright, we got Brian De La Cruz, Marlins. Going to Aaron. Yeah, well, you guys will still get first dibs on that, but I can't, dude. I can't find any good price. I'm not paying full retail. Mike Cameron. Even my LCS didn't get much. He got cut too, so I was going to hopefully get some of the discount from him. I got one other source I'm going to ask, but it's ridiculous. Sure, I get at least one case. They literally got 50 cases when the distributor got cut too. I was lucky to get the 2 boxes. Alright, we got a gold auto coming up, or a gold parallel. It's going to be Bucky Dent for the Yanks. Number 10 of 10. I like that these are all on card, too. Never even heard of this product. I just saw it. Figured, hey, cheap break. We got Justin Morneau on the negative. I know box we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box 6. Alright, we got Jose Canseco, numbered 43 of 50 for Oakland. Going to Nathan. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I don't know why it's so expensive. They gotta get off these Rona prices, dude. They really do. Alright, we got Luis Gill in the negative. Top Fanatics been giving all their shit to all the big breakers now. People that are going to break on their platform, I'm sure. Alright, box 7. Alright, 100 pence. We got Romy Gonzalez for the White Sox. Going to Gregory. Some of these guys' signatures are so lazy. Negative of Bruhan. Let's get some parallels. I know they're hard to hit. And I read the odds. That's why they're selling so good. Alright, let's read another reverse negative auto. Or maybe, yeah. Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. Going to Aaron. He's an upcoming star. We got Jake Mayers. Reverse negative. Alright, box 9. Alright, we got Josiah Gray for the Nats. Going to Rob. Come on, let's see some redemptions here. That's where all the big hits are. They're all live though. Ricky Henderson on the reverse negative. Yeah, Marlins are a good spot price. I thought 25 was good for them. De La Cruz. Alright, we got Eric Davis for the Reds. 2 of 25. Going to Alex. At least we're hitting these reverse autos. They're not, the odds weren't that great. Romy Gonzalez. I say the black 101 auto. What are the odds on them? Wasn't that great. Autograph golds, 1 in 64 boxes. 1 in 7 boxes for the reverse autos. I'll be worth more than that, man. Alright, we got Romy Gonzalez again. White Sox. Going to Gregory. That's really it sucks they don't have full cases of this stuff. I just figured 20 boxes would have been around what a case would have been. Tatis Jr. on the reverse negative. Kind of like the random though, because then you can hit big players back to back. So I ain't going to put that in one case. Alright, another Bucky Dent, this time on the base auto, Yankees. Going to Richard. Got Shannon Stewart. I'm going to price out that 4-boxer now, guys, and send a group PM to you after the break for Inception. Really? That's all one went for? That don't even make sense. I'd hold him, dude. He's actually a decent player. Eric Davis. Oh, Jesus Christ. Another Bucky Dent. Can it be 3 Jeters? Going to Richard. Gavin Sheets in the reverse negative. There was a big rookie here. That's ridiculous. I'd hold him. I don't even use eBay comps anymore. I mean, I just post what I want. Someone buys it, they buy it, and it generally works that way. We might have a... No, it's going to be a reverse negative, so it's black. We got Tyler McGill for the Mets. 26 of 100. Going to Sean. Yeah, it's because he's... It's not a case. That's what it says. It's going to be all random. TJ Friedel. The odds are good, though, if you have a good team to get multiples of them, but... Unfortunately, they're not hitting. We got one parallel. Parallels are tough, though. Alright, Matt Chapman. Jesus fucking Christ. 4 Bucky Dents. Sorry, guys. Tried to find them in a case and couldn't find them that way. We got Rodolfo Castro. I don't think they made them. Bucky Dent's out the ass. Well, when he passes away, I'll pay for your spot, Richard. Alright, we got Jake Cronensworth, Padres. Going to Mike. We got Torrey Hunter. Alright, we got 4 to go, guys. Alright, we got Matt Manning. It's not bad. Jonathan India. 1 of 25. Reds. Going to Alex. Oh, we definitely beat the odds. 1 in 7 boxes on those. Got a Velotti. Oh, that Matt Manning's a 101. No, it's out of 25. I thought the black borders were 101. Maybe get us a reverse negative one. Let's see, why do we get 2 in a box? Oh, no more Bucky Dents. Velotti was a reverse negative. Alright, 3 go. Alright, we got Shannon Stewart for the Blue Jays. Number 22 of 100. It's going to go to Rob. Rob's first auto in a couple breaks. Read Detmers on the reverse. No redemptions. We're looking for, and that's all the big guys are redemption. I got blue border. It's going to be Rady Arizona. Would have been great last year to hit this. He was selling a lot higher. Numbered 45 of 50 for the Rays. Going to Keith. Still a solid ball player. Rodolfo Castro. And one more, guys. Franco's a redemption. Franco's actually still selling for 70, 80 bucks. Last comp on a base auto in this. Shocked. We have gold. So we did alright on parallels. Alright, we got Reed Detmers, number 225, 1 of 25. And we're going to end with Kevin Smith, 7 of 10, Oakland. Going to Nathan. He's hoping for Ricky Henderson. Well, that definitely was not my favorite product. No, it was too good to be true at the price point. Wander Franco in the negative. Alright, recap. Alright, we got Kevin Smith, number to 10. Randy Arizina, number to 50. Shannon Stewart, number to 100. Jonathan India, number to 25. Jake Cronensworth, Bucky Dent. Tyler McGill, number to 100. Bucky Dent, Romy Gonzalez. We had Eric Davis, number to 25. Josiah Gray, Brian De La Cruz, number to 100. Romy Gonzalez, Jose Canseco, number to 50. We had Bucky Dent out of 10. De La Cruz, TJ Friedel, Seth Beer, Reed Detmers, number to 100. Two numbered parallels, we had Reed Detmers and Matt Manning, both numbered to 25. And our negatives were Wander Franco, Rodolfo Castro, Reed Detmers, Velati, Torrey Hunter, TJ Friedel, Gavin Sheets, Shannon Stewart, Tatis, Romy Gonzalez, Ricky Henderson, Jake Mayers, Bruhan, Luis Gill, Marneau, Mike Cameron, Corbin Burns, Bagwell, and Aaron Judge. Alright guys, I'll send out a group PM to you with the 4-boxer for tomorrow of Inception Baseball. I just got to price it real quick, won't take me long. Alright, appreciate you guys.